Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this subseries, we are going to see how to apply CSS style using JQuery methods. Along the way, we will learn how to animate the HTML tags. Let's get introduced. Before we continue with this subseries, we will prepare the HTML because using that HTML, we will apply JQuery functions. So the HTML acts as a base for this subseries. So we initiate the body. In the body, we will create two sample paragraphs. And if you see, this is paragraph 1, and here we start paragraph 2. So totally, we have two paragraphs running inside the HTML. We will enclose them in div tag as a group. And if you see, we have a div class and we put a para here as a class attribute, and we define these two paragraphs in a group by enclosing them within the div tag. Then we will have one more group for the buttons. So here we opened one more div tag and we named this div tag as text size. Finally, we add 3 buttons to this new group. And if you see, here we added buttons and each button is having ID original plus minus. Make big, make small, that's the text. So by looking at this button, you may got an idea of what we are going to do. So when user clicks this plus button, the paragraph size will increase, and when they click minus, the paragraph size will reduce, I mean the text size. So that's all. We have two groups. One is button group, and we call that button group as text size, and another one is a paragraph group, and we call that with a class attribute para. Now let's go ahead and create this HTML. Now we will create a new HTML file. And we will call that file as so that's all. We have a HTML file, and as already told, this is our HTML file script JS API, right? And jQuery, we are referring the JavaScript query. Then we have a body opened. Then inside body we have two div tags, and we saw what these div tags will do in the we already saw that right in the slide. Now let's go ahead and run this. So that's all. Now we have two paragraphs, right? We can use this to demonstrate this subseries. That's all. Our basic HTML is ready. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.